Hello investors. Today I'm going to talk about one sector which is heading towards one of the biggest structural mega trends in India, and it is none other than the renewable energy sector. The renewable energy sector is not just driven by policies anymore. In fact, it has turned into a full-blown investment and economic opportunity. We are moving from dependence on fossil fuels to diversified and sustainable energy. The recent geopolitical tensions have only made us realize how much important it is to be independent in the energy sector. One factor that has been contributing to the rapid expansion of the renewable energy space is the energy demand in India. The energy demand no longer lies only from the domestic side but also from the industrial side. India's renewable story is no longer gradual but it is exponential. We are targeting 500 gigawatts by 2030 and we are already ahead of the schedule. Our capacity has grown almost 5x in a decade and solar alone has crossed 150 gigawatts. All of this has led India to become the third largest renewable energy market globally, and this growth has been achieved by strong structural policy support. The government has launched various PLI schemes which are boosting the domestic manufacturing, green energy corridors are solving infrastructure bottlenecks, and green hydrogen is opening a completely new opportunity. Before I dive more into our renewable energy theme small case, let me discuss two interesting stock picks. The first stock that we have picked is Premier Energies. Premier Energies represent the manufacturing side of the opportunity. It is an integrated solar manufacturer, meaning it controls the entire production process. This leads to better margins and scalability. Plus, it is one of the major beneficiaries of the PLI scheme for the domestic solar production. The company is well positioned to benefit from the China Plus One strategy, wherein India is aiming to become a manufacturing hub. The next stock on our portfolio is KPI Green Energy. KPI represents the power generation side of the segment. It focuses on supplying renewable energy directly to the industrial clients. The company has strong execution pipeline which is ensuring its long-term revenue visibility. The story just doesn't stop at solar and wind. The government has also opened up the nuclear energy space for the private players. The new focus areas will include energy storage, green hydrogen and hybrid projects. Here's why you should invest in our renewable energy portfolio. Our portfolio is diversified across the value chain and we have picked out stocks which are emerging leaders in various segments in the space with strong growth visibility and which are positioned for future trends. The stocks in our portfolio are backed by policy support and rapid expansion plans. Invest in our small case TB Renewable Energy theme, which gives you exposure to the best clean energy stocks curated for long-term growth. Use the code WAR2026 to get additional discount on your subscription. Thank you.